Hey everyone, it's Dennis here, and let's be honest, that inner critic, that voice of self-doubt, we all know it, right? It can be a real drag holding us back from going after what we truly desire. But what if you could quiet that inner critic today? What if you could replace that negative self-talk with empowering beliefs that fuel your confidence? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to explore 3 powerful affirmations that will help you transform your self-doubt into unshakable self-belief. Because here's the thing, you are capable of amazing things. You have greatness within you, and I'm here to give you the tools to unleash it. Get ready to shift your mindset and step into a more confident, empowered you. Let's do this. This affirmation is your secret weapon against self-doubt. It's a powerful declaration that can transform your mindset and elevate your life. When you say these words, you're not just making a statement, you're making a commitment to yourself. You're telling the universe that you are ready to embrace your potential and face whatever comes your way. It's a declaration that you have what it takes to overcome obstacles and achieve extraordinary things. Think about the times you've succeeded in the past, the moments when you pushed through difficulties and came out stronger on the other side. Those experiences are proof that you are capable of greatness. But here's the key, you have to own it. You have to believe in your heart that you are capable. It's not enough to just say the words, you need to internalize them, to let them become a part of your very being. This belief will fuel your actions and guide you towards your goals. Don't just say the words, feel them. Let them resonate within you. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let the affirmation sink in. Feel the power of your own potential, the strength that lies within you, waiting to be unleashed. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and repeat after me. I am capable of achieving greatness, even in the face of challenges. Feel the truth of these words as you say them. Let them empower you, give you confidence, and remind you of your inner strength. Again, I am capable of achieving greatness, even in the face of challenges. Each time you repeat this affirmation, you reinforce your belief in yourself. You build a mental fortress that can withstand any storm. Now let's break it down. When you say, I am capable, you're acknowledging your own strength, your resilience, your ability to rise to the occasion. You're recognizing that you have the skills, the knowledge, and the determination to succeed. This is not just about physical strength, it's about mental and emotional fortitude as well. And here's the kicker, even in the face of challenges. Because let's face it, life throws curveballs. There will be times when things don't go as planned, when obstacles seem insurmountable. But it's in these moments that your true strength shines through. Because let's face it, life throws curveballs. Challenges are inevitable, but they are also opportunities for growth. Each challenge you face is a chance to prove to yourself just how capable you are. It's a chance to learn, to adapt, and to become even stronger. But you know what? You are stronger than you think. You have faced challenges before, and you have overcome them. You have the inner strength to face whatever comes your way. Trust in your abilities and know that you can handle anything. You are more resourceful than you realize. You have the creativity and the problem-solving skills to navigate any situation. When you believe in your own resourcefulness, you open up a world of possibilities. You start to see solutions where others see only problems. So when those challenges pop up, and they will, remember this affirmation. Let it be your guiding light, your source of strength. Remind yourself that you are capable of achieving greatness, even in the face of challenges. This mindset will help you stay focused and motivated, no matter what obstacles you encounter. It's a reminder that you have the power within you to navigate any storm. No matter how rough the path may seem, you have the inner strength and resilience to keep moving forward. Trust in yourself and your abilities, and you will find a way through. Write this affirmation down on a sticky note and put it on your bathroom mirror. Let it be the first thing you see in the morning and the last thing you see at night. This constant reminder will help reinforce your belief in yourself and your capabilities. Make it your phone's lock screen. Every time you look at your phone, you'll be reminded of your own potential and strength. This simple act can have a profound impact on your mindset and your daily actions. Repeat it to yourself throughout the day, especially when those doubts start creeping in. The more you say it, the more you believe it. And the more you believe it, the more it becomes a part of who you are. Because the more you say it, the more you believe it. And the more you believe it, the more unstoppable you become. This affirmation is not just a statement, it's a way of life. Embrace it, live it, and let it guide you towards your greatness. And the more you believe it, the more unstoppable you become. You are capable of achieving greatness, even in the face of challenges. Remember this, and let it be the driving force behind everything you do. Let's talk about those so-called imperfections for a minute. You know, the ones that we often try to hide or fix, the ones that make us feel like we don't measure up to some arbitrary standard. But what if I told you that these imperfections are actually your greatest strengths? You know, those quirks, those flaws, those things that make you, well, you. They are the little details that set you apart from everyone else. They are the stories etched into your being, the experiences that have shaped you into the person you are today. Society might tell us to hide them, to strive for some unattainable standard of perfection. We are bombarded with images of flawless beauty and success, making us feel inadequate. But perfection is an illusion, a mirage that keeps us chasing something that doesn't exist. But you know what? Forget all that. It's time to break free from those chains. It's time to embrace who you are, imperfections and all. Because those so-called flaws are what make you real, what makes you human. Your imperfections are what make you interesting, what make you relatable, what make you, you. They are the things that draw people to you, that make them feel connected to you. They are the marks of a life well lived, of battles fought and lessons learned, and they are absolutely nothing to be ashamed of. In fact, they are something to be proud of. They are the badges of honor that tell the world you have lived, you have experienced, you have grown. Repeat after me, my imperfections are what make me unique and valuable. Say it again and again until you believe it. Because it's true. Every scar, every wrinkle, every so-called flaw is a testament to your journey. Again, my imperfections are what make me unique and valuable. Let this mantra sink into your soul. Let it become a part of your daily routine. Because self-acceptance is a powerful thing. Think about it. What are the things that make you stand out from the crowd? What are the unique qualities that you bring to the table? These are the things that make you special, that make you irreplaceable. What are the experiences that have shaped you into the person you are today? Reflect on those moments, the highs and the lows, the triumphs and the failures. They have all contributed to your growth, to your character. Those imperfections, those bumps in the road, they've given you character, they've taught you resilience, they've made you who you are. They are the building blocks of your strength, the foundation of your wisdom. And that, my friend, is incredibly valuable. Your journey with all its imperfections is a story worth telling. It's a story that can inspire others, that can bring hope and encouragement. So often we're our own worst critics. We focus on our flaws and forget to appreciate the amazing qualities that make us special. We let self-doubt and insecurity cloud our vision. We focus on our flaws and forget to appreciate the amazing qualities that make us special. But it's time to change that narrative. It's time to see yourself through a lens of compassion and love. But it's time to flip the script. Embrace your imperfections. See them as the unique brushstrokes on the canvas of your life. They add depth, texture, and richness to your story. Own them, celebrate them, dance with them. Because they are a part of you and you are beautiful just the way you are. Because they are a part of your story and your story is worth telling. So go out there and live it fully, imperfections and all. Embrace your uniqueness and let your light shine. Listen, none of us have it all figured out. We are all on this journey together, navigating through the ups and downs of life. It's important to remember that it's okay to not have all the answers. In fact, it's perfectly normal. Each one of us is a work in progress, constantly evolving and adapting to new challenges and experiences. Life is a journey, not a destination. It's a series of moments, each one building upon the last. Sometimes the path is clear and straightforward, and other times it's winding and uncertain. But that's what makes it beautiful. The unpredictability, the surprises, the lessons we learn along the way. And the most important thing is that we're constantly learning, growing, and evolving along the way. Every experience, whether good or bad, teaches us something valuable. It shapes us into who we are and who we are becoming. Embrace the process and trust that you are exactly where you need to be right now. Repeat after me. I am learning and growing, and every step forward is progress. This affirmation is a reminder that growth is a continuous journey. It's not about reaching a final destination, but about appreciating the progress we make each day. Again, I am learning and growing, and every step forward is progress. Say it with conviction, and believe in the power of your own growth. Each step, no matter how small, is a testament to your resilience and determination. This affirmation is all about embracing the journey, even when it gets tough. There will be obstacles and challenges, but each one is an opportunity to learn and grow. It's about pushing through the difficult times and coming out stronger on the other side. It's about celebrating the small victories, the lessons learned, the moments of growth. Every achievement, no matter how minor it may seem, is a step forward. It's a sign that you are making progress and moving in the right direction. Because here's the thing, progress isn't always linear. There will be ups and downs, peaks and valleys. Sometimes you'll take 2 steps forward and 1 step back. And that's okay, it's all part of the journey. It's not always about making huge leaps and bounds. Sometimes it's about taking baby steps, moving forward 1 small step at a time. Each step, no matter how tiny, is progress. Sometimes it's about taking baby steps, about making small, incremental changes that add up over time. These small steps are just as important as the big ones. They are the building blocks of progress. It's about learning from our mistakes, about understanding that failure is not the end, but a part of the process. Each mistake is a lesson, a stepping stone on the path to success. It's about getting back up when we fall. And that's okay. Falling is not a sign of failure, but a part of the journey. It's about resilience, about the strength to get back up and keep moving forward. In fact, it's more than okay. It's called being human. We all stumble and fall, but it's our ability to get back up that defines us. It's about compassion, for ourselves and for others. So be kind to yourself. Treat yourself with the same compassion and understanding that you would offer to a friend. Remember that you are doing your best, and that is enough. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Each step forward is a victory, a sign that you are growing and evolving. Take a moment to acknowledge and appreciate your efforts. And remember, every step forward, no matter how tiny, is still a step in the right direction. Keep moving forward, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself. You are on the right path. So there you have it, 3 powerful affirmations to help you quiet that inner critic and unleash your confidence. Remember, these are just starting points. Feel free to adapt them to your own specific goals and aspirations. In fact, in my book, Affirm Your Greatness, Harnessing the Power of Positive Affirmations, I dive even deeper into the power of affirmations and teach you how to craft personalized affirmations that truly resonate with you. It's packed with practical strategies and exercises to help you boost your self-belief, overcome self-doubt, and create the life you deserve. For those of you who are ready to take it to the next level, check out my book, Affirm Your Greatness, Harnessing the Power of Positive Affirmations, and the free e-course in the description below. The e-course provides ongoing support and guidance as you embark on this transformative journey. See you on the other side.